How to see recently deleted friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can find recently deleted friends on your Snapchat account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to find recently deleted friends on your Snapchat account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. And then let's just say that you happen to go to your friends section and then you just happen to delete some of the friends. You want to find a list of friends that you recently deleted. Now keep in mind that Snapchat will not give you a list of people that you have recently deleted, but what you can try to do is you can try to search for their profile manually, and if it says add friend instead of already seeing their snap score and birthday, it means that you have unfriended or they have been deleted as a friend for some reason. Now for that you can just tap the search icon which is at the very top of the screen over here, and then you can simply try to search for a certain person over here. Let's say once you search for a certain person, and then you just tap on their profile name or whatever else, and if it says add friend instead of actually being able to see the snap score, it means that they are no longer friends with you. And this is the manual way to figure it out, because Snapchat themselves are not going to give you a list of people you have recently deleted or unfriended. This way you can find recently deleted friends on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.